अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू द बिग क्वेश्चन। आज हम शो स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक छोटा सा हमारी तरफ से एक ट्रिब्यूट देंगे टू आवर वेरी ओन who has played cricket with us and also have represented Kuwait volleyball team as well. So just a small gesture that, buddy, you will remain in our heart forever. So we'll have a video first, please.
होकर फना इस दुनिया से खाली न जा रहा हूँ मैं, करके कैद खुद को यादों को सबके दिलों में छोड़े जा रहा हूँ मैं। माना कि ये रुखसत कुछ बेवक्त बेवजह सी हो गई है, क्या सच में जिंदगी कीमती और मौत सस्ती सी हो गई है। था खुश कितना ये नेमतों से मिली जो तुझसे थी ऐ खुदा, थे भाई से बिरादर दोस्त मेरे, था बिरादर सा भाई मेरा, होकर भी दूर परदेस में बसा हुआ था एक परिवार मेरा।
Saying anything about you, Akri, would be very less. I have so many happy memories with you, which I will cherish rest of my life. You will always be my best partner in crime. Miss you, Akri. Please come back.
We'll miss you, bhai.
We will miss you.
We will miss you, Fakri bhai.
You will be dearly missed.
Fakri, we miss you.
We will miss you, Fakri bhai.
We miss you, Fakri bhai.
We will miss you.
We will miss you, Fakri bhai.
We miss you.
We will miss you.
Fakhri, we will really miss you.
We will miss you.
We will miss you, Fakri.
We'll miss you, buddy.
We'll miss you.
We miss you, Fakri. Fakri, we will always miss you, bhai. Always.
We miss you, bhai.
We'll miss you, buddy.
We miss you, Fakri bhai.
We will miss you, Fakri bhai.
Fakhri bhai, we miss you, bro.
Fakri, we terribly miss you, brother. Forever.
न मांगना सबूत मेरे गुनाहों का मुझसे, खुद कद्र ए लैल सनद है मेरा, करके दीद शाह के बस यूं चला तेरी और कारवा मेरा।
Yes, so just a small gesture from our side. Obviously, बहुत एक छोटा gesture है हमारी तरफ से, and the video credits obviously goes to the volleyball team that is representing Kuwait as well as other volleyball fraternity as well. So okay, starting with the show on a very low note because yes, we have that he's always there in our heart. Okay, so आज हम एक ऐसा एक ऐसे स्पोर्ट के प्लेयर्स हमारे शो पे आएंगे जो स्पोर्ट्स बोला जाता है कि एवरेज एक प्लेयर 300 टाइम्स ये स्पोर्ट्स में जंप करता है. So we'll have three of a very good players of volleyball who have represented Kuwait as well. So can we have them on the show, please? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome Burhan bhai, Mustafa bhai, and Jose bhai to the show.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Thanks for joining us on the show.
Yes. Okay. So they are the super smashers as we call them. You can see हम देख सकते हैं कि तीनों एक बहुत ही अच्छे फोटोज हमारे सामने हैं. तो वेलकम गाइज एंड थैंक यू, आप लोग ने टाइम निकाल के हमारे शो पे ज्वाइन कर रहे हो.
Thanks, man. Thank you. It's an honor.
Thank you.
So just starting with Burhan bhai Mustaji ji, you have been privileged enough that obviously you were privileged enough and Kuwait sports also is privileged enough that you were captaining both cricket और volleyball दोनों टीम को आपने represent किया है बुरहानी sports में. So how is it different? Volleyball, cricket, the preparation, the crowd, the support, कितना different है?
Well, yes, like you said, it had been an honor and privilege to be not only representing the country we live in, but I've also led the sides. There's not a lot of a difference between the two, I can say. There is more to talk about similarities. But yes, one point I think I can focus on or, mention about is when you talk about cricket, like we all know, we play cricket throughout the year, almost throughout the year. But volleyball, it's at least अपने community में यहाँ पर we play only once a year. The difference between the two is that volleyball ने हमको या उस players को या team को it kept us together because of the only reason was the love of the game, the sport. वो volleyball ही था जिसने हम सबको एक साथ इकट्ठा किया था because that love for the game that we had, and we wanted to take it forward, to see what happens and how we might end up doing in a bigger stage. Cricket, yes, we were more of friends when we went over there. So वो gelling थोड़ी easy थी वहाँ पे. But yes, challenges wise, it was difficult because at least the first year, because we had no idea what we are getting into. वहाँ जाके क्या face करेंगे, competition कितना fierce रहेगा. We had no, frankly, we didn't even know that are we prepared enough to the stage that we're going. So पहले साल दोनों के लिए ये similarity थी कि we were not sure what's going to happen and what we are going to get into.
Okay, जैसे हमने एक फोटो भी देखा जिसमें बुरहान भाई was talking about the craze, the love for the sport और उनके जैसा एक passion sports के लिए we can see that best footballer का award, we can see best volleyball player award, we can see best batsman and many other awards in cricket. We don't need to mention cricket here because everyone knows what he's doing, what is done in cricket and his achievement. So yes, here we have the photo. तीनों जो गेम खेलते हैं उसमें वो बेस्ट होते ही है and he takes care of his fitness as well. Okay, moving on. I would like to ask. We'll call Josefa bhai as Laka on the show because it's easier for us to mention him as Laka. Okay, so हम लोग जानते हैं कि आप एक बहुत ही एग्रेसिव और पैशनेट प्लेयर हो वॉलीबॉल में. हम जितने भी मैचेस वॉलीबॉल के देखे आप एक अलग ही लेवल से खेलते हो, अलग ही पैशन होता है. वो सामने वाली टीम को आपका फिजिक, आपका जो अपीयरेंस होता है वो देख के डर लगता है. सो वो पैशन कहाँ से आया आपका वॉलीबॉल के लिए?
I think aggression is an initial part, like what essential part रहता है any sports का, and it helps you to get anything achieved better. Like आपको मालूम रहता है कि आपको next point score करना है, तो आपको मालूम पड़ता है कि if you're showing in that much of aggression to the opponent, they'll be scared by it, and then it's like it's easy to control the game on your own, and eventually you get to the point where you have to be calm and you have to think that okay fine, you have to pause that aggression part and then you have to use your brains, and maybe you need not to smash that ball and you need to place it, so it helps you both the ways.
Okay, so we Burhan bhai se humne dekha कि passion or love for the sport. From Laka we have seen the aggressiveness. Now we have one more person with us who is Mustafa, who is a fitness freak. So we'll try to connect sports and fitness with him because we know him as someone who keeps himself very fit. So how does fitness help you? Fitness आपको कैसे help करता है sports में to give your best performance?
Actually, fitness is very important. It gives you more flexibility, endurance. It helps you give your best in sports. If you're a sports person, you need to be fit. और मेन ये है कि ज़्यादातर लोगों को ये लगता है कि फिटनेस बहुत बोरिंग है और लाइफ लॉन्ग नहीं कर सकते, बट ये मिसकंसेप्शन है बहुत लोगों में, because most of the people they think that fitness is like going to gym and doing the same thing over and over, so they get bored with the same schedule and they end up doing nothing. So I would recommend them, guys, you don't need to go to gym, be at home. You need only 3 days in a week. You can do it at home only 30 minutes in a day. You plan your schedule according to you. तुम्हें जैसे ठीक लगता है वैसे वर्कआउट करो. सिर्फ 30 minutes. Warm up, 20 minutes high intensity training, or 5 minutes stretches. You can find these things on YouTube, or you can ask anyone, any fitness trainer around you, you know, they will guide you and they will help you out. So guys, fitness is a very important thing in sports. If you're a sports person.
आफ्टर दिस शो हम आपको ही कांटेक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि हम अब आपको जानते हैं जो एक फिटनेस एक लेवल है आपका.
I guess like Mustafa said, this lockdown has taught us that we can do everything at home itself. So yeah, it has helped.
Yes, and Mustafa Bhai
is the best guy.
Mustafa Bhai is also this year's best player of the tournament in volleyball IA Cup. So that was also an introduction part. Okay, talking about fitness, एक मुस्ताफा भाई का वीडियो जो हम अब प्ले करेंगे और व्यूअर्स को बताएंगे. So can we play the video? एक क्रेजीनेस देख सकते हैं हम लोग फिटनेस के लिए. जब ये वीडियो प्ले हो रहा था मैंने देखा लाखा वो स्माइलिंग कि भाई ये अपने बस की बात नहीं है. Okay, Kavik, this is a short what Mustafa was talking about कि how you can keep yourself fit घर पे रह के necessary नहीं है कि gym hit करना है to be fit. Okay, now moving on, बुरहान भाई आपसे क्वेश्चन है कि वॉलीबॉल को कैसे प्रमोट कर सकते हैं? How can we be better prepared for volleyball in the coming tournaments?
See, the simple message to promote any sport in any community, it's like to organize more tournaments. Okay, it is as simple as that. अगर बुरहानी स्पोर्ट्स बुरहानी कप के अंदर अगर कंपटीशन की बात कर रहे हैं, for sure, I'm sure these two guys sitting away, they will agree to me कि हम लोग जब वहाँ पे गए, we saw the training that the other teams have or the coaches that they have to train themselves. It is, we are far away from them. To be very frank, हम लोग यहाँ पे साल में एक बार मिलते हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, and we only practice for a couple of weeks without any professional training. It's what we've learned by ourselves, by playing ourselves. तो ये चीज अगर promote करना है, and to be really frank and to get results in that level of competition, जहाँ पे हम लोग जाते हैं, जैसे बैंगलोर की बात करें, चेन्नई की बात करते हैं, जामिया की टीम की बात करते हैं, जो इस साल हमने देखी क्योंकि उनके पास 2 इंडिया के लेवल के कोचेस थे जो उन्होंने ट्रेन किया था. Those kids were unbelievable. I mean, they were really good. तो of course we have to give more time to the sport. थोड़ा और प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, एक फिक्स टीम बनानी पड़ेगी जो रेगुलरली खेलती है यहाँ पे, और एटलीस्ट once a week throughout the year.
Okay, एक फोटो बताऊंगा बुरहान भाई आपको. एज आपने बोला कि वॉलीबॉल इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है, तो इंट्रोड्यूस द प्लेयर्स फॉर मी प्लीज एंड फॉर द व्यूअर्स.
Starting from top right is Lakha, if you all know, he's on the show. Then there is this Abuzar, he was a very strong player. Like I said, I got to know about his strength only just a few weeks before the tournament, because this is where I got to know him. I had no much idea about him, but when I started practicing with him, pata chala ki this guy is too good. Abdul Qadir, the one in the center, I think he plays for Fireboys team in volleyball. He is a very intelligent player. Let me tell you, he reads the game very well. He knows when he drops the ball, he plays at the net. It's amazing. Ibrahim Diwan, like you all know, is a prominent sports figure. He plays cricket just as good. He plays cricket for the good team as well. He's an all-rounder in sports. Uske liye pura time
just like you.
Okay, yeah, you can say he's somebody who I feel can play any sport. Below uske niche hai Mukarram, one guy that I really feel he should, talk more. He should come up more. He can be one of the inspirations to the young kids of here. Apne society mein. This guy is trying to get into sports, and I really encourage and appreciate what he's doing. And yes, even he's one of the guys who can get into any sport anytime, and he's too good in volleyball as well. उसके बाजू में मोहम्मद है. Again, this is another guy I had not played much with before, पर जब उसको मैंने खेलते देखा, बहुत कम time में I got to know that kid has a long way to go, and I'm sure he's going to do that.
And now is the youngest one.
Youngest lot, definitely he's the youngest at heart when he comes down on the field. I know him. I've known him for the few years, or he's like I can say he's an ocean of experience. Be it any sport. I guess there is in the blood something. Bankudas, he, Mukarram, Kutub, everybody, there's something in the blood when it comes to sports.
No, I was going to say, ye Bankoda surname mein, yes, they all are large-hearted persons because we have known Kutub Bhai obviously. Okay, I can see everyone laughing. Okay, one very nice question I have for Latha. That is, last tournament that you played for, you played volleyball. You played and you became a champion. And then just the last year, you changed the team to pro sports. So why did you change? Why did you leave the champion team?
No, it wasn't that. It was in 2015 where I was playing with Spikers, and that was the first time I played the tournament, and I have won that. And it was a different team, and that time Pro Sports were having their own players. And after that, their priorities changed. My team went back to the graduation studies, and they were not here. So in that time, I was practicing every day, like twice in a week, with mainly the players who are like, we call it a VKT, like, volleyball club. So we decided to make a team, and, among the players who are practicing every day, like you need players who are practicing every day. You cannot just jump into a tournament catching those players and, like without any fitness. So yeah, we made a team again in 2017. That was a Pro Sports, and I won that tournament as well. I think Burhan Bhai was man of the tournament, that tournament, I guess. And yeah, this time I continued again back with Pro Sports, and Spikers merged again.
I think that is more of an influence of Kutub Bhai and Asif Bhai, because they always were the best players in the team. Okay, Musab, next question to you. As Burhan Bhai said, the solution promote करना है volleyball को, solution ये है कि ज़्यादा tournaments कराओ. तो जब टूर्नामेंट्स नहीं हो रहे थे इसमें, आई थिंक देयर वाज अ गैप के वॉलीबॉल आया कप में, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट है कि जो वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर्स होते हैं उनको रिटेन करना, उनका इंटरेस्ट वॉलीबॉल में रखना, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वो लोग शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं कि वॉलीबॉल तो हो ही नहीं रहा कॉम्पिटिटिव, सो लेट्स शिफ्ट टू सम अदर स्पोर्ट. सो योर कमेंट ऑन दैट.
To be honest, you're right. There were many players, and they were waiting for the volleyball tournament for, like, let's say 3 years. And then after they were waiting every year, they came to know, okay, the news used to come that there is a volleyball tournament after 3 months, but then there was nothing. So after a period of time, everyone started to go to cricket more. They started playing cricket and they left volleyball. Nor they used to practice, or like Lakha said, there was a volleyball group named VKT. There was no VKT anymore. The reason
here you can see Musab as well. And some new phases as well. Yes, Musab.
And we were expecting volleyball tournament very often, and then we came to know about cricket tournaments. It was like, you can say in a year, every week we see volleyball cricket tournaments are there. तो हमें लगा यार हम रोज वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं और टूर्नामेंट नहीं होते, और बहुत मुश्किल से लोगों को लेके आते वॉलीबॉल खेलने के लिए. एक ऐसा टाइम था कि जहाँ 18 प्लेयर्स भी हमारे पास नहीं होते थे. Or there was a time when people used to come, like you can say 30 people, around 30 to 35 people, they want to play volleyball. But जब ये tournament हुआ है, now I can say कि we have a hope to have at least 2 to 3 tournaments in every year, and let's hope MSC will help us in doing this. We expect a lot from MSC to organize volleyball tournaments further. More than 16 teams in volleyball, but now there are hardly 8 teams. And that too, you need to ask them, guys, are you playing? You need to form a team. पर इससे पता चलता है कि वॉलीबॉल का कितना क्रेज कम हो गया लोगों में. एंड whereas I think क्रिकेट की टीम्स पहले से बहुत ज्यादा है अभी. So I think volleyball needs needs to be promoted.
Moving on to Burhan bhai, I have a question for you that your preparation is immense. जब भी हम नेट्स में जाते हैं या वॉलीबॉल के मैचेस होते हैं, उसके पहले वी ऑलवेज सी के ये आदमी कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स बाहर होके कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स खेलते ही है, या तो क्रिकेट के नेट्स में होंगे, या तो वॉलीबॉल की प्रैक्टिस में होंगे, या तो फुटबॉल के ग्राउंड पे होंगे. आई डोंट नो हाउ योर फैमिली मैनेजेस, बट वी वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू के प्रिपरेशन, इतनी प्रिपरेशन के पीछे क्या रीजन है?
It's just the love, buddy. Simply the love and the passion for the sport. I mean, sport itself. I wouldn't say a particular game, but बचपन से मुझे sports it's given a lot to me. My inspiration has been my brother. उनको देख के I got into sports, myself into sports, और it's just the love for it. And honestly speaking, I really would want to even tell everybody, all the kids, if you really want to do good in sports, be sincere to it.
Yes. On previous shows पे भी हमने उनकी बात की है, उनका contribution कितना बड़ा है स्पोर्ट्स के लिए. तो we'll not talk about that क्योंकि उनको पसंद भी नहीं है ये चीज कि उनके बारे में ज्यादा बोला जाए. ओके, सो हुजैफा भाई, जैसे हमने बात की यंगस्टर की, सो व्हाट इज आपका एक मैसेज क्या है कि ज्यादा प्लेयर्स वॉलीबॉल खेलने को आए? यू कैन, लाइक यू सेड, यू हैव अ ग्रुप है आपका कि आप उस ग्रुप के थ्रू आप वॉलीबॉल मैचेस या प्रैक्टिसेस ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो. तो वैसे यंगस्टर्स या एक मैसेज आपका वॉलीबॉल जो खेलना चाहते हैं बट दे आर नॉट टेकिंग अप बिकॉज उनको पता है कि वॉलीबॉल पे इतना फोकस नहीं रहता है, तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है आपका?
I would just tell them to start learning it from the school itself, because there is an option for a kid in the school. Like, you can go for a cricket, you can go for a football, and you can go for a volleyball. But they are more attracted to the first two sports because they have seen their thing, and there's no panel, there's no channel as such which they are contributing towards volleyball. So yeah, they should be more attracted towards the sport, and they should learn how the sports is played as well. Because in the other scenario, like, आप हर sports खेल सकते हो. Like seeing Burhan bhai, he plays football, he plays volleyball, he plays cricket as well, mashallah. So you don't have to just seeing a professional way. You can play any sport professionally if you want to. It's just not that what people want to see. It's how you want to play sport.
Saying about Burhan bhai, it's not just about playing sports. It's for him, it's like being best in the sport, because we have seen हर चीज में उनका best होता ही है.
I remember in 2017 he was a captain for volleyball, volleyball team and cricket team. So in those days, last 3 weeks of those volleyball tournament which was held in Marol, he used to go for work and he used to come back at 5. Then he used to go for net practice, and then later on he used to come for volleyball practice. So initially he used to start by 6 a.m. in the morning.
No, when you're telling this, I'm just thinking about his situation at home. I mean, there must be real support.
Yes, I used to just compare myself with him, and I'd be like, thank God to your family to be like, so understanding. And
आपकी शादी में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रहा होगा ऐसा कुछ, इसलिए आप इतने स्पोर्ट्स खेल. ओके मुस्तफा भाई, आई नो दैट यू आर फ्रॉम गलियाकोट, एंड हमारे पास बहुत सारे गलियाकोट के प्लेयर्स हैं जो कुवैत की टीम के लिए भी खेल रहे हैं वॉलीबॉल, कुवैत क्रिकेट वॉलीबॉल कुवैत टीम, एंड जो इधर अपनी कम्युनिटी की टूर्नामेंट्स में भी खेलते हैं. तो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन हैविंग अ गलियाकोट वॉलीबॉल टीम? बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ बांसवाड़ा टीम, we already have a Fire Boys and other teams which is Sagwada representative. So why not a Galiakot team? So your take on that?
Actually, it's a great idea to have a Galiakot team. पहले बहुत सारे players थे जो volleyball खेलते थे, but because of this 3-4 years in between, they all went into cricket. So inshallah, if there are more tournaments in upcoming season, of course we will have our own team very soon.
I think
and then we can use the same quote for our volleyball team. देखो देखो कौन आया, गलियाकोट का शेर आया.
I think बुरहान भाई laughing, उनको पता है कि जो टीम को आप रिप्रेजेंट अभी कर रहे हो वो ये सब सुन रही है कि भाई ये क्या कहना चाहता है.
Exactly.
It's okay. After the show, Mustafa, you can give me names. So
I'll tell you one thing, Ibrahim.
Yes.
if you allow me,
Yes, sure.
to simply promote volleyball in our community, Mustafa will agree with me on this one that this particular sports needs a lot of fitness. You know, this is a very highly injury prone sport. You can get injured very easily, very quickly, and with the age that we are all into right now, if we don't keep ourselves fit, very soon this sport might go away. So this is why we need more youngsters because they are quick. And like Mustafa and other people who are trying to promote fitness in our community, they really have to step up and bring this up so that people can get into this even more.
Okay, so now,
completely.
yes, sure. Okay, go on,
I
please.
agree with Burhan Bhai. Fitness is very important in any sports, but also in volleyball, as he said, because you have to jump a lot, and basically you have no idea about where the ball is going to drop, and you will just go for the ball. So if you don't have that fitness level, you're going to get yourself injured.
We have seen Burhan Bhai during the matches. वो usually ice pack use करते हैं. I don't know, there is some magic. क्या है उसके पीछे? What is the reason behind that?
No. I wish there was some magic. Otherwise, I would have won so many tournaments by now. But I've had injuries. I've had shoulder injuries. I had ligament injuries, and it's terrifying pain. I mean, एकदम needle type pain रहता है. So just to subside that pain, so I can go again for the next shot, next point. This is why I have to keep it with me because I don't want to sit out. I don't want to sit out just because of the injury. I would give everything, bring everything down the line, and try to give whatever I can. So भले दुख रहा हो, that particular moment I'll rub out in it. 2 सेकंड के लिए 10 सेकंड के लिए वो पेन जाएगा, वापस आएगा को बची, but I'll rub it and I'll get back and I'll stay on the court as much as possible.
Okay. So we'll also have a photo of Burhan Bhai. So can we have the photo, please? I would like to have a comment from Lafa on that. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So, Lafa, please let us know what is this.
So this was the time in Surat, and सुबह 9 बजे के हम लोग उठते थे, and we had around 7 games in a day, and continuous 7 games, and 30 points each. So we used to get exhausted. इतनी थकान रहती थी because back to back हमको jump करना पड़ता था, smash करना है, वापस वो लोग उठाते थे, वापस हमको smash करना है. So we were in a badly need of a massage, so-called massage, because Burhan Bhai उन पे depend करते थे, and mentally he was like that कि उन्हें एक massage चाहिए so he can get prepared for the semis and the quarters which we having next day. So I remember in the middle of the night 12 बजे हम लोग एक रिक्शा में बैठे, and we went to a station because our organizer told us that there's a guy sits in the station, on the station, and he does massage on the road. So he was confused at first, but then he decided कि मुझे ये करना है क्योंकि मुझे ये कल सुबह गेम खेलना. So he just went to that guy and he asked like, can you massage? And that guy is like, please. So he's like, where it is, like where
No, so where did that blanket come from?
It was all his equipment.
Don't ask. Seriously, I was totally embarrassed. But like he said, I was in terrible pain with my legs. I'd almost felt like I've lost my legs, and this is what I needed for the next day.
Okay, so we'll just come to now one word answers. Mustafa Bhai, fittest player in volleyball other than you?
Actually, not fittest only. We have oldest players in volleyball. I would say fittest player, Hakim Taylor and Burhan Musaji. And oldest player and really fit, Janab from Bohra 11.
Yes, I think Janab also plays cricket as well. So one more passionate guy जो बहुत sports खेलते हैं. Okay.
Age is not a factor for him.
Yes, we can see that. Okay, your inspiration for starting volleyball.
Well, it's definitely very, very challenging and competitive game. And I needed a sport to remain fit. Fitness was my main thing. But if I have volleyball or any kind of sport, so I will be more interested in making myself fit. So I thought maybe I should go for volleyball, and as well as I will remain fit. So that was.
ये एक अलग नजरिया है. हम लोग स्पोर्ट चूज करके उसके हिसाब से फिट रहते हैं. हमारे पास एक ये मुफ्ता भाई है जो फिट रहने के लिए स्पोर्ट्स चूज किया कि कौन से स्पोर्ट्स में ज्यादा फिट रह सकता हूँ. सो great insight into some other perspective what people think as well. Okay, spiker or a setter, your choice.
Best spiker. I think best spiker, as everyone knows, Lakha, sports. And I would say best setter is Ashfaq Kapda from KVC.
So you would like your choice, like if I give you a choice that you have a choice to be a spiker or a setter, so which you would choose for yourself?
Of course, spiker.
That is good. Okay, now we have seen your smashes. So someone who you think always blocks your smashes?
Well, I think Ali Bhai Khanji. Well, he was really good. He was like a wall in front of me. He didn't let me move. One of his smash directly came on my nose and he literally broke it.
Burhan Bhai is laughing because he knows all. You can see all BB players are all tall, muscular. I mean,
he's actually a wall.
A beast.
No, I would say all BB players. You can see the height. I mean, crazy how you guys have that build, that height, everything. Okay, Mustafa bhai, one word when it comes to these players. Qazi.
Qazi is a very good player, and I would like to say that I started my volleyball career because of him. He motivated me to start playing volleyball in our school time, and definitely he's a very good player. And as you can see, he got man of the tournament, I think in 2015.
Yeah, so one word for him, if you want to describe him in one word.
He's passionate.
Okay. Fakhri Bhai, whom we always really paid a small tribute or a gesture from our side. Fakhri Bhai, for you.
Fakhri Bhai, he was an amazing man. We had best memories in Mumbai where we went for our tournament, and he's a great man. Like, he was really kind, and you will never see him sad or talking negative. He was always smiling. And this man, I swear, I really miss him a lot. And when I got the news about him from Burhan Bhai, I was really sad that we lost a very good soul.
Yes, true. Okay, now moving on to Lakha. Best player you think in volleyball? Give me two names because I know one name is very difficult.
I would say Zafar Kapda. He has been playing since a long time and he's done amazing defense. He can almost dig up every smash, every placement you do. Beat it anywhere, any court. He can pick it up anywhere. And the second best player, I would just give it between Ibrahim Diwan and Mukarram.
आप कौन सा जगह प्रीफर करते हैं, अटैक और डिफेंस में? कौन सी? Choose one.
Attack, definitely attack.
I think you have all the attackers here.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, one word for the following players. Abdul Qadir.
Brother and partner in crime.
Great. Abbas Bodla.
Abbas Bhai Botla, yes. Very difficult to get a point in front of him.
Now we move on to Burhan Bhai Musa ji. Obviously, जब बुरहान भाई मूसा जी होते हैं तो क्रिकेट तो छूट नहीं सकता है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू सम एडवाइजेस जो आप अपनी कीपिंग से आप जो सीखे हो वो कुछ देना चाहते हो, एंड बैटिंग एज वेल. सो सम फ्यू टिप्स टू यंगस्टर एंड टू एवरीवन ऑफ अस.
See, one thing is what I even tell my own teammates and anybody I can speak up to. मैं ये बोलता हूँ सबको और अपने आप से तो मैं बोलता ही हूँ कि whenever I'm facing any, I will always firstly talk to myself, and then secondly is I will always feel that the bowler who's approaching me is better than me. अगर मैं ये दिमाग में रख के खेलता हूँ कि वो सामने भाग के जो आ रहा है मेरे से अच्छा है, I will play more cautiously towards that ball. The moment you feel that no, I am bigger than this or I'm bigger than the bowler, the moment you yourself make yourself bigger than the game, because if you're thinking that you're best, then you're making yourself bigger than the game. So the moment this happens, this is what I keep my focus on with, is that हमेशा मैं यही बोलता हूँ कि सामने वाला जो आ रहा है मेरे से अच्छा है और मुझे उससे संभल के खेलना है.
बेस्ट बॉलर जिसको अभी तक आपने फेस किया हो, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, बेस्ट बॉलर whom you have faced?
Other than my team players, I don't know. One of them is you. Though I've faced you very less, but then you've been difficult. And I don't know. Burhan Raj is good because he bowls on good length.
Yes, okay. And last question to Burhan bhai, then we'll move on to one word is we have seen के team BB जब भी आप step down as a captain किए हो, after 1 or 2 seasons you come back as a captain. So do we expect that next year?
No such as plan. No plan as such. I mean, it is totally situational. ऐसा कोई plan मेरे कि नहीं चलता रहता है. Last time ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. But then it's all situational, and I don't think so. I think Mirji will do much better, and we have trust on him, and
yes,
we'll support him as well.
Yes, Ali bhai Mirji obviously वो तो है ही, ये तो सिर्फ आपके लिए क्वेश्चन था. Okay, we move on to one word for Burhan bhai regarding volleyball, of course. As we say Mr. Cricket for you, आपके लिए Mr. Volleyball कौन है?
हाँ, दो जने हैं. I mean, for me, this also I have two answers.
Yes.
One is Ibrahim Diwan, of course, like Lakha mentioned, because he's somebody who can play anywhere on the court. And the second guy is Zurabhai Bankoda, because the knowledge that he has for the game. So these two guys, yes, for me, Mr. Volleyball. Both.
Since we have seen you on the netting, so which player is the hardest to block when he smashes?
These two guys sitting in front of me. This guy has really improved. Mustafa Marshall, he's been really good. And Lakha, always he's a beast.
Okay, Burhan guys, one word for the following players. That is Ibrahim Diwan.
An all-rounder.
Okay, Juzarbhai Bankoda.
Ocean of experience, like I mentioned before. He's too good.
And one more name, obviously, I have to ask. There is no leaving him behind. Kutubhai Bankoda.
He's like Fevicol, Baba. Seriously, he is actually he keeps us together. He keeps all the teams together, and the amount of motivation that he gives, he has always been there for me personally. Also, when I started or when I thought of taking volleyball team or a cricket team की भी जब बात कर रहे हैं, this guy is an inspiration. He pushes everybody to the limit. I mean, he tries to bring out the best from anybody possible, and he very selflessly he gives whatever he can, and he contributes. So he's a gem of a person. Seriously.
Okay, so last segment, as I said, one word to answer हुए अभी volleyball के. For Burhan bhai, there will be cricket as well. So tell me one word about these players. Ali Merji.
Aggressively passionate.
Okay, Ali bhai Kanji.
Well, I'd say he's an volcanic mountain. I mean, as long as you can keep him quite fine, the moment he bursts, he's a volcano. I mean, उसके अंदर storm भरा हुआ है. As long as he's quiet. The moment he explodes, there's nobody like him.
Best Mr. Cricket for you.
See, when it comes to sincerity, because when I talk about considering somebody Mr. Cricket, it's somebody I would look up to, जिससे मैं सीखने की कोशिश करूँगा. So when you talk about sincerity of the game, जो आदमी एकदम sincerely खेलता है, उसके बारे में वो करता है. What I have noticed is Shabbir UP, because I've played with him and I know how much sincerely he plays the game. He and Ahmed Obri, two guys. But if you talk about passion, somebody who can put anything down the line, even their life for the game, I would mention two names, which is Ali Merji and Kutub. These two guys would give up on anything if they have to do something in the match.
Okay, and one team you admire and why?
I'd say K11 Warriors, because the reason behind this is like I said, in sports, respect is very important. And this is one team that I've seen that they always respect their opponents. I've never seen them being harsh on anybody. They are only into loving the game and respecting the sport and as well as the opponent team. So yes, okay, I have them for that.
Okay, so we are talking a lot about youngsters, how to promote youngsters. हमारे पास एक youngster है जो हमने देखा है previous photos में as well, representing Kuwait volleyball team. Yes,
Mukarram. Welcome Mukarram to the show.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Okay, Mukarram, tell us something about your experience playing with. आपके सामने टीम तो है ही, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी एक बोल सकते हैं कि हैवी वेट्स ऑफ वॉलीबॉल अपने कम्युनिटी में उनके साथ खेल के आप व्हाट इज फीलिंग?
I was first of all, I was really privileged. At a young age, I got a chance to play with such amazing players and get experience from all these players and learn something on the other from them. And they kept advising me. They kept helping me out in the starting. So it is always fun to play with all these players. Plus, everyone has helped me out. So it's good to be a part of the team.
ओके आपको ये नहीं पता होगा, लेकिन आपको देख के बहुत यंगस्टर्स जो वॉलीबॉल लाइक्स वॉलीबॉल में स्टार्ट प्लेइंग, तो आपका एडवाइस क्या है उनके लिए?
I think they should always love the sport, and I think sitting outside, not playing in the game, you learn much more by just viewing the game from outside. Because I think I've done that for the longest time, and where I've learned a lot of things just from outside the court. And once you're in the court, there are people like all these players who are there. They'll always help you out and you'll get your way through.
We can see that while you're talking, they all are laughing. So they know how important a youngster is to the team, and they know what you're saying is perfectly right. They're also maybe they are also thinking, "Na youngster aake advice de raha hai, wo heavy advice." So it's good to know. Okay. Thank you, Mukarram, for joining us, and thank you for giving good insight into how a youngster can learn from sitting outside. Thank you very much. Yes, before we end, I would like to take a little comment from Burhan Bhai as well. He wanted to say something. Yes.
Well, yes. I just want, like you mentioned earlier, I would really want to thank MSC for what they've been doing, how they've been trying to bring sports into every kid's lives in Kuwait at least, and for all the chances and all the chances they've given me, opportunities they've given me to take the team forward. Because of course, without them, nothing would have happened. And I cannot finish without thanking Qutub Bhai, especially for this, Qutub Bhai Obri, for all the trust that he had in me throughout, and he still has. And of course, the other two brothers, Mia Saab and Adnan Bhai. So thank you once again, and we really look forward that, like we mentioned, that MSC is going to do lots more tournaments for volleyball. So yeah, this is it.
Inshallah, we can from this we hope that many more tournaments to come, and we can see you guys performing well, and maybe more competitive teams. So all the best, and we hope to see a tournament in the future as well. Thank you very much for joining the show.
Thank you, Brian. Thanks a lot.
It was an honor to be here.
Thank you very much.
Definitely. Thank you, Brian. See you guys.
Okay, sir. All right. So a different sport and a different perspective, different players, and we get to know a different approach towards another game as well. Thank you very much for watching the show. We take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors for the support, and please subscribe to our channel, that is The Big Question on YouTube. Thank you very much. Stay healthy and stay safe.